Hey, what's up guys, what's up everyone. In today's video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this new Nano Gauntlet Hawk version, of course by Hot Toys 1/6 scale collectible figure from the movie Avengers Endgame. And yeah, it has articulated fingers and LED light up function. Okay, so again, this is a 1/4 scale. Okay, so let's get started. There you go. Okay, so let's see. So you're gonna slide up from the side. There you go. Wow. Just a very quick one, just a quick look. Here's the picture of Hawk wearing that Nano Gauntlet. There you go, guys. Wow. It's a very quick one, guys. It's a very quick one. Yes, and there you go. Wow. Yes. So the size, you can see my hand right there. It's like a hand of a baby. Wow. Yes, so this is the base. You can see. So of course the base is not removable, and yeah, so only the function that you can do, I mean, aside from the lights, of course the fingers you can move. There you go. Right, so you can see that articulated fingers right there. And then the lights, yeah, here it's a light, of course. Doesn't include any batteries on it, so you have to purchase or you have to get 3 pieces of AAA batteries to light up that infinity stones. There you go. There you go. So all you have to do is tap that base, that logo, and it will light up. There you go. So that blinking, so it has 2 effects, so general and then a pulsing effect. There you go. That's it.